Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to type a squared symbol like a squared or m squared on Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let me just type for B2. Again, type for B2 in your keyboard and you need to highlight the number 2 character in your windows. Okay, highlight it. And once you have highlighted the number 2, you need to press Alt key, press and hold Alt key and press 0178 in your keyboard. Okay, so let's try again. Press and hold Alt key and type 0178 and release that the keys and there you go, you would be able to type a squared symbol in your windows. Okay, so if the alt key and 0178 is not working, you can press and hold fn key and type 0178 and there you would be able to type a squared symbol. Okay, so the second method that you can do is, okay, so let's type it again, b2. The second method that you can do is here at the bottom search bar, please type for character map. The moment you have typed it, please proceed with the best match and go with open to continue and wait until a new window would appear. Okay, so in this character map window, you need to proceed on looking for the squared symbol, which is this. Okay, and you need to go with select and you need to select on copy. Again, choose the squared symbol, go with select, okay, and you need to go with copy. Once you have copied it, proceed with your notepad, okay, or your Word Office, and then paste it here. Control V to paste, and there you have that. You would be able to type a squared symbol in your Windows, okay? So that's how easy to type a squared symbol in your Windows 11. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to write a comment here at the comment section below so that I would love to read all your comments. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Have a good day.